Hello friends, today we are going to see how to connect to database and retrieve your data from table. So this is our project. Now we have here login.php. Let's click it. Then let's increase the size. Okay. Now here the valid email and the valid password. We are going to retrieve this information from table. So it means we need to delete this. After deleting this, we are going to connect to database. So to connect to database, so first let us create the variable that will connect to database. So let's call it maybe con. Now we type MySQL connect, this one. Then here we put host. Second, we put the user. Our user is Nyanja. Now we put the password. Maybe our password is this one. Then after we put database name DB. So this will connect to database DB. So now after connecting to database, we are going to fetch rows from the table in that database. So we type maybe SQ. Let us create another variable. Now we say MySQL query. Okay. Now here we put our variable to connect to database con. Then we type select all from. Now here this means select all, so we're going to select all the columns. If you want to select some columns, you put the name of those columns here. So you can say select, for example, password, names, sex, law. Okay, so it depends on the name of the columns of the table. Now from which table? Here I have DB or database DB. Now the table from this database is users. From users, where, so we are going to select the row where the email is equal to this email only. So where email is equal email. Okay, now this query will select password, names, role, sex, and role from table user in this database DB, because here we have used con, and this con is to connect to this database DB. Then it will select the row where email is equal to this email. Then after selecting, we are going to get those values. So we say while. Okay, we put the condition row MySQL fetch array. Then we are going to fetch array from where? From this SQ. Okay, now we get each column value. We say the first one is password is equal row password, names is equal row names, sex or gender is equal row sex, and lore is equal row lore. Okay, so but here we can first check if this email exists. So to check if the email exists, we first say if MySQL number of rows num rows. So you're going to see if this email exists. It means there is a row that will be displayed. So here we put SQ. If this one is equal to 0, then we are going to display that echo email not found in our database. Okay, else. Now else it means if the number of rows is greater than 0, then we take this. We put them here. Okay. So now we can copy this or cut them. Then we come here. We say if email is empty, please enter email. Then here, this will remove it. Okay. If password, as this password is equal to empty, please enter password, and also this will remove it. Now we put this here like this. So if email is empty, please enter email. Else, if password is empty, please enter password. Else, now we are going to check in a database. Okay, then this one, remove it from here, put them here. Okay, then after this, after checking if email and password are not empty, now we are going to check in a database to see if the email is found in our database. After checking if the email exists, now we get the row where the email is equal to the posted email, and we get value from that row. And now here we put valid password. Okay, so now this is how we retrieve data from database. So here we are going to say if password is not equal to valid password, then echo invalid password. Else, now let us use session. So here we put session start. Then we say else. Okay, session username is equal email session names is equal to names session sex is equal to sex. This is how we retrieve data from database. Next time we shall see how to update and delete record in SQL table. Thank you for watching. See you next time.